I'm going to show you how to create a professional QR menu like these ones. I'll also show you how to create a branded QR code, link it directly to your menu, and update your menu at any time. To get started, head over to BrandedQRCode.com. Scroll down and click on Create Your Landing Page. Now select Menu Builder. Here, you'll see 6 pre-made menu templates. If you like any of these, you can simply apply the template and then edit it to match your own content and branding. For this video though, we're going to start from scratch. Now, there are 2 ways you can create your digital menu. You can build it manually using the menu builder, or if you already have an existing menu, you can upload photos of it and use AI to create most of the menu for you. I'll quickly show you both ways. First, let's create a simple menu manually so you can understand how the builder works and how easy it is to customize. Start by entering the name of your restaurant or cafe. You can also upload your logo and, if you want, add a wide banner image at the top of your menu. Next, choose the currency you want to use for your prices. Now choose your menu layout. There are 6 different layouts available, ranging from simple text menus to photo cards, section covers, and image grids. And for the layouts with these photo options, you can actually use them either with or without photos by simply turning this toggle on or off. I'll show you. Next, we can start adding our menu sections. Let's create a section called Pizza. You can add a short description here if you want, as well as a photo for the section. Now let's add our first menu item. Enter the item name, price, and a short description. You can continue adding as many items as you want and create additional sections such as pasta, drinks, or desserts. You can also reorder your sections and menu items whenever you need to. And if an item is temporarily unavailable, you can simply mark it as sold out. Now let's design the menu. First, choose whether you want to use a simple background color or a background image. For this menu, I'm going to use an image. You can upload your own background or choose from the pre-made background images available here. There are multiple options for both light and dark backgrounds. I'll choose this one. You can then customize the colors of your text, choose your font style and text size, change the shape of your logo, and also choose the shape used for your menu photos. This makes it easy to customize the menu to match the look and branding of your restaurant. Next, you can add your contact and social links. You can add your phone number, WhatsApp, location, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and only the links you enable will appear on your menu. Throughout the process, you can see exactly how your menu will look to customers in the live preview. Once you're happy with your menu, make sure you click Save. Give your landing page a name so you can easily find and edit it again later. Now let me show you the second and even faster way to create your menu. Open AI Menu Scan. First, choose what you want to do. Create a new menu is for creating a completely new digital menu from the photos you upload. Or, if you already have a menu saved on branded QR code, choose Add to an existing menu. This lets you scan additional sections, items, and their details and add them to one of your existing menus. For this example, we'll choose Create a New Menu. Enter your restaurant or cafe name and choose your currency. Then upload clear photos of your existing menu. You can upload up to 5 menu pages at a time. Next, choose the style of digital menu you want. If you want to add food photos to your digital menu, choose this option. Or, if you only want the item names, prices, and descriptions, choose Text-Only Digital Menu. I'm going to choose the photo option. Now click Scan Menu. Give the AI a moment to go through your menu and extract the information. Once it's finished, you'll be taken to the Review Your Menu page. Before using the menu, quickly go through everything the AI has created. You can edit your section names and notes, edit any of the menu items and their details, delete sections, add new items, add entirely new sections, and rearrange the order of your sections. Once everything looks good, click Use this menu. Now choose the layout you want to use for your digital menu. And just keep in mind that the colors and background images you see in these previews are only examples. At this stage, you're simply choosing the layout and structure of your menu. We'll customize the actual design afterwards. Choose the layout you like and click Continue to Builder. And there we go. The menu the AI created is now loaded directly into the menu builder. If you selected a layout that uses food photos, you can now add your dish photos from here. You can also make any other changes you want and use the design section to customize your background, colors, fonts, text size, logo shape, and photo shapes. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Page and give your menu a name. This is where you'll be able to find your saved page again, as well as the link to your digital menu. Now let's link it to a QR code. I'll quickly show you how to create a normal QR code and a branded one. First, we'll create a normal one. Choose Start Manual Creation. Increase the QR detail level to 99. Now click on Landing Page, then choose Link QR Code to Landing Page. Select the menu we just created. And that's it. Your QR code is now linked directly to your digital menu. From this panel, you can customize the design of your QR code and make any changes you want. Once you're happy with it, click Download Dynamic QR Code. Now let me show you how to create a branded QR code using the Assistant. Click on the Assistant icon. Upload your restaurant logo. If your logo has a transparent background, you can also add a background color behind it so it looks better inside the QR code. Then click Apply. The Assistant will generate different branded QR code designs for you. Choose the one you like. You can still customize the design afterwards if you want to make any changes. Once you're happy with it, simply download your QR code. Now let's scan it and see what happens. And perfect! Our digital menu opens directly on the phone. Now let me show you how easy it is to update your menu after it's already live. Go back to the landing builder and click on My Pages. Find the menu you created and click Edit. Now simply make whatever changes you want to your menu. For example, let's change the price of one of our items and add a sold out tag to one of the items. Once you're done, click Update Page. And that's it. Your live menu is updated immediately. You don't need to create or download a new QR code. The same QR code will automatically open the updated version of your menu.